Class, yesterday we did paper 11, June 2020 of O-levels. So today we are going to start paper 21, inshallah. This is your paper. See. Now, June 2020, paper 21. Now, this is the first question. The said sports club has a shop that sells sportswear. The following details relate to the shop for the year ended 29 February 2020, opening inventory, closing inventory, purchases market. Calculate the shop sales for the year ended 29 February 2020. So what we have to do, what we'll do, we'll write what we have to calculate sales. Sales figure is unknown. Okay. Now here, sales, can we calculate? Okay. Now, opening inventory is $900. Now purchases 7,600. Closing inventory 970. It should be bracket because we and I told you every time don't forget to write a bracket in negative figures. So now the cost of sales is how much? 900 plus 7,600 plus minus 970. This is 7,500. 7,500. Should be in bracket. Now, if we are selling towards 40% mark, so it means the selling price is 140% of the cost. So 7,530 multiplied by 100. 7,350 multiplied by 140. 10,000. Five three zero multiplied by 140%. Sale amount of sale will be 10,542 minus 7,530. Gross profit is 3,005. Where we have earned 4 months. Okay. All the shop sales and purchases apart from cash, all the club payments are paid to the bank and payments are made by check on 1st March 2000. Bank balance was overdrawn by 845 dollars. Overdrawn means we have taken a short-term loan from the bank overdraft. Now, the following receivable payment were made. Okay, done. What we do now? We have to calculate. We have to prepare receipt and payment. Receipt payment account means a cash. So what we have to do? Write over here 2020. Balance on the trade side because we have overdrawn. So how much is we have overdrawn? 845. Now this is in payments, what we have received and what we have paid. So see, sorry, subscription received, completion fees received. These are receipts, payments for completion of purchase of fitting. These are four payments. There are four payments and two receipts. Okay. Then we have, so come to the receipt side, 2020. We need to put the right date on 29 because we are making the entries. We don't know what happened during the month. We don't know the exact date, so we will put February 29. We have shop sales, 10,000, 542. All receipts are right. Okay. Shop sales, and we have subscriptions. Receipt 11,200. Done. And we have competition fees. How much? 950. Done. Okay. Now payment side. Again, we put the date. That was date. Yeah. Okay. Shop purchases. How much is the shop purchases? 7,600. Done. It's just like cash book. Debit side for the inflow of cash and trade side on the for the outflow. Competition prices. Prices. How much? 390. Then we have fittings, 4,000. Fittings, what else? We have rent insurance, rent insurance, rent insurance, how much? 575, 4575. Wages to shop assistant. Wages, how much? Now what we have to calculate, we have to calculate the closing balance, and the closing balance is how much? 22857. So let's see. Uh, 7 minus 845 minus 7,600 minus 390 minus 4,000 minus 4575 minus, yes, minus is 3447 CD on the trade side. It means we have now balance. CD 2,000. So it means here we will get the total 22,857. Done. And don't forget, please, you have to bring down the balance on March 1st. So March 1 balance is not debit side because we have cash available now that time. So balance will be 3,000. Now payment of commercial fittings, rent, insurance, wages were given. Two items which were not included in receipt in payment in totals were shop sales and shop purchases. Okay. Okay. So that amount is to deposit into bank, and that purchases payment should be deducted from the bank. It's not given in this total. Okay. We have to be very careful. Part we have finished. Now, okay, the club bank statement at 29 February 2020 show a positive balance of 7162. Now, club bank statement has come and it shows that you have now $7,162. Sorry, but we have, according to our records, our receiving payment only for bank and it shows 2,447 in the bank. So we need a reconciliation, yes. And there are three problems are found. Let's see. Okay, now balance and uh, how much we says that we have dollar 3,447. Okay. Now, competition fees 260 had not been recorded by the bank. So we can say that this is unpresented amount. Okay, this is unpresented amount not yet credited. So, sorry, amount not yet credited, uncredited balance. So we are going to less it. Less competition fees. Uncredited. This is how much? 260. Done? Okay. Second item, a check paid for 25 for completion had been charged twice by the bank. This is the error of bank and it's going to be added. You can write add bank add. It's going to be added. Then the payment fitting for 4,000 made on 27 had not been recorded. This is unpresented checks. This is going to be added. Add unpresented checks. Check. How much? Done. So have we reached minus 260 7,212. That's sorry. Uh, bank error is going to be detected. 7,000 balance. Receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account. This is Receipt payment account is for recording cash inflow. Income expenditure is for calculating surplus or deficit. It is not based on cash only, it is based on cash and accruals both. Receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account. We include all types of capital and revenue receipts and payments. It only includes revenue receipts. Okay. Next. Question number two. Okay. Now, question number two. Balances are provided by Amy on 31st March 2020. We have to prepare trial balance. They are wonderful people. They are giving you the trial balance. You just need to write about that. Okay. Now, capital is always credit. Capital is always credit, 10,369. Okay. Drawings always debit, 4,000. Okay. Equipment at cost is always debit, that is 15,500. Provision, all types of provision have always been credit, all provisions. That is 3,000, any type of provision. Okay, inventory being an asset going to be recorded on the debit side. 1765. 1765. Trade receivable is also asset, it's going to be recorded 1290. Okay, bank overdraft, yes, is a liability going to be recorded on the credit side, 475. Okay, trade payables is also liability going to be recorded on credit side. This is 1,600. Sales always credit. How much? 31,250. Okay, purchases always debit. 18,330. Okay, purchase returns always credit, 910. Okay, carriage inwards always debit. How much? 640. Discount received always credit. How much? 815. Commission receivable always credit. 1,500. Rent and insurance always debit. 5,700. 5,700. Office expenses, yes, expenses debit 2,425. Suspense is debit 369. How? First, what we do, we'll take the totals of these two columns. Okay, we'll take the difference of debit and trade, and we'll get the suspense account 369, and the total would be 50,019. And here, what? This is how we make. We'll take the totals of debit and trade, and the suspense will be reported on the lighter side of the trial balance. Okay. Then we have emulated discussionary arrangement in the accounting record. Complete the table to show the entries required character. Okay. No entry cash sales, cash debit, sales credit. Achha, what about office expenses? The office into had been credited to wages account. No, इसमें हमें क्या करना होगा? Okay. Now we have to debit office expense because it is not yet debit. Debit 40. Wages was wrongly credited, so we have to debit wages 240, and we have to credit suspense. Suspense by 400. The purchase on total 222 was 2165. Amount was incorrectly got purchase of 2651. So this is transposition error on one side minus 2165. 1486. So what we have to do? Purchase is overstated, so we have to credit purchases and we have to debit suspense by the required amount. Different amount. Okay, suspense debit. How much? It was 486. $486 and purchases credit 486. Done. Okay, insurance payment is correctly recorded in the catchy, but no entry has been made. Okay, what we forgot? We forgot to debit insurance. So what we have to do? We have to debit. The item was insurance or something like that. Rent insurance. So what we have to write over here? Rent insurance debit suspense. Rent and insurance. 75 and suspense. Done. Okay, the purchase document was not recorded in the cash book but debited to account. This is error of principle. What we have to do? We'll debit equipment. And credit. This is error not affecting time. Now, what we have to do next? We have to make a suspense account. Okay. Now, when we are making a suspense account, it is going to make on here 2020 March 21st. Last day of the month. Balance BD means the balance of suspense account from the transaction. Balance BD was on debit side 369 item. Yes, 369. Now, from the previous entry, the first entry, there's nothing with that was error of omission. Now, in this second entry, we have to credit suspense two times, one for office expense, one for wages. So, first, 40. Then we have to create suspense for office expenses. How much? Okay. Then we have second amount. Another entry. We have to debit suspense 486 for purchase. So 486 reason purchases. Then next entry, rent and insurance debit suspense rate 375. 375 we have to write it over here. 375 reason rent and insurance. Both sides should be equal, hopefully. 369 plus 486. 855. Okay. Now 240 plus 240, 480 plus 375, 855. Thank God. A balance CD in suspense account is still some error, have not yet correct. balance 855 on both sides without having a balance. Okay, this is that. Move. Kipo owns a manufacturing business which produces product S. He provided the following information for the year ended 30th April 2020. Okay. Revenue, purchase of raw material, for finished goods, and wages, factory of royalties paid to the inventor of product as factory general expenses, factory fuel and power, rent and insurance, factory machinery and cost, provision for depreciation, inventory, raw material. Okay. Additional information. What we need. Oh, manufacturing. Now, manufacturing account is easy to find. First, we use, right? We give the heading, prime cost. Prime cost is our heading. Much bigger item. Now, in prime cost, we have to calculate direct material use. Central opening inventory of raw materials. Opening inventory of raw materials that is going to be imported over here. 3120, 3120. Okay. Then we have to add purchases of raw material. Purchases of raw material is about 46,500. Done? Okay. Anything else? Or raw material? So what we have to take? Less closing inventory of raw material. Less closing inventory. Closing inventory of raw materials. Please, all negative figures should be reported in budget, so we should not forget to subtract them. Otherwise, we might be possible we will add. And we'll get here direct material, direct material consumed, whatever you want to write, direct material. Plus 46,500 plus this 52,620. 52,620 direct. Now, what we need is for prime cost, direct labor wages of factory operatives. Yes, this is direct labor. 38,250. And I think there is no adjustment for that. Okay. So there is wages 38,250. Direct wages. 38,000. Okay. Now, any other thing for prime cost? Yes, the royalties paid to royalties. 7690. Royalties. That is 7690. 7690. And we get the total over here. Prime cost is how much? So this is our prime cost. We have to add 6,500 minus. Now this is our prime cost. Then we have to take production overhead. Production is production overheads. Heading. Now we have to take overheads. Now what are the overheads available? See. Wages of factory operate. No, sorry. Factory general expenses, factory fuel and power, rent and insurance, factory and factory machinery depreciation, rent and insurance. We have to split. We have to apportion, and annual salary of supervisor. Okay. So what we'll do right over here. Number one, wages of factory supervisor. Wages. Done. Now, factory general expenses. Factory general expenses is how much? Factory general expenses 4,500. Then we have factory fuel and power. Factory and how much factory fuel and power? 5325. 5,325. Next, factory fuel and power. Rent and insurance. Rent and insurance. We have to take 50/50. 28,000 multiplied by 50%. What is that? Depreciation of factory machine. We have to take calculate depreciation. Depreciation is 20% using this reducing balance method. So factory machinery at cost is 60,000 minus provision 21,600 multiplied by 20%. 7,680. 7,680. Now we'll get the total of production overhead over here. 28,500 plus 2,500 plus 5,325 plus 15,000 plus 7,680. 60,000 and 5. And we have to add this figure and time cost plus production overhead altogether we will get plus 92,560. 152,565. 152,565. This is your cost manufacturing manufacturing. we have to do? We have to add work in process inventory. Inventory is how much? Process opening inventory is 5,400 and closing inventory 5590. Opening inventory work in process 5,400 and closing inventory 5590. Your question. So let's see. How much? 1 5 minus so plus 5,400 minus 5590. Answer is 152,377. 152,377. And we got it. Chipu, trading account. So we have to make only two. Trading account means we have to move till gross profit. So what we have to do? We have to write revenues, sales, just only trading account. Now income statement we have two parts: trading account till gross profit and profit and loss account till net profit. So they've asked only for trading account. So we have to finish it or we have to reach only till gross profit. Now sales is very much giving there 2,54,000. Now heading. Now cost of sales. Finished goods. Opening inventory. Finished goods opening inventory. How much is the finished goods opening inventory? Finished goods opening inventory is 8,220 and closing inventory is 7,885. So opening inventory is 8,220, 8,220. Add. Then we have to add COP. We calculated in our previous statement of the manufacturing account is 152,375. Yes. Then anything else regarding sales of finished goods 59,000. Sales of finished goods. Finished goods 59,000. Then let's do finished goods closing number. That was 7,885. 7,885. Now cost of sales 8,220 plus 1,52375 plus 59,000 7 11710. 211. Done. And we'll get here gross profit. How much? 2,000 minus 42,209. Done. Increase of Law we have to take. Increase of wage of supervisor will increase cost, will decrease the profit. Reducing trade discount means it will increase the gross profit. So, chopping away can be sold a trader into a limited company because she thinks this will make it easier for her to obtain management. Yes. Now, if you see, advantage joint stock company, the largest amount of investment you will get through joint stock company. Remember that? The largest amount of investment. Getting my point here. Wonderful tea by my wife, mashallah. Okay. Largest amount of capital you get. There is possibility. There are a lot of opportunities available. But the problem is when you convert into a limited company, there are crushing legal formalities. You have to follow all the legal formalities. You cannot enjoy the freedom as a sole proprietor. Okay? Or you might lose control over the business because if you invite more shareholders, you might lose control. So there are advantages in this joint stock company will be given by your teachers. The text must be given by your teacher. If you don't have a text of joint stock company or any text you want, you can anytime you can ask me. I will provide you the text. Okay. So now it's up to you. What you think that should be the decision of the Chipu. Okay. So that's all for today. Inshallah, we'll do the 2 questions are still left in this paper, and we'll do it tomorrow. Inshallah. So take good care of yourself. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.